but we don't have concentration.
Don't give up. That's why I have a really excellent video for you to watch because the teachers are seriously good teaching.
Hello everyone, you are watching Statistic TV Show. If you are looking on how to answer the question, you are on the right track. So my name is Johari and I'm not alone. Introduce you, Teacher Ainaa, our expert in statistics.
Hi everyone, my name is Binti Azrul and you can call me Teacher Ainaa.
So Teacher Ainaa, what are we going to do for today?
Alright, so for today, we will discuss one of the subtopic in mathematics and probability subject, which is interval estimation.
Yup, that's true. Without further ado, let's start our show with Teacher Ainaa.
So students, are you guys ready? Yes! Now, let us look at the first question. And the first question is, find the distribution of a new random variable y chi-square with 1 degree of freedoms using the moment generating function technique. For this question, we need to use the MGF of normal distribution. And why we need to use the normal distribution? It is because the question here is stated from a normal distribution. From the question, we can see that the mean is equals to 0 and the variance is equal to theta plus 1. For this question, we need to use the MGF. And for the next step, we need to put the limit from negative infinity to positive infinity and e t x squared times PDF dx. And from the PDF here, we need to use the PDF of normal distribution. And PDF for normal distribution is fx equals to 1 over variance 2 pi e x minus mu over variance. After that, we need to substitute the mean and the variance here. Therefore, we will get theta plus 1, 2 pi multiplied e x minus 0 to theta plus 1. Alright, so for the next step, we need to write down back the PDF of normal distribution dx. From this step, after that, we need to combine the exponential since it has the same base. Then plus negative x squared over 2 theta plus 1 dx. Now, moving on to the next step. Out the x squared. Therefore, we will get 1 over 2 theta plus 1 minus t dx. The next step here is system. Then we need to combine these two and we will get 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 t over 2 theta plus 1. Now, for the next step, we need to make it like we need to transform this into like this formula. Therefore, we will get theta plus 1 over 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 t. Alright. Now, for the next step, we need to bring this whole here up here. Theta plus 1 t negative 1 here because we bring from down here to up here. And since we bring this up here, we need to put this one in here. T, negative 1. And same goes down here. Alright, for the next step, we need to take out up here. Then we will have minus 2 theta plus 1 t negative 1 over 2 because it is square root of 2. We will write down this whole thing back. Alright, from the back here, it will equals to 1. So, 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 t negative 1 over 2 times with 1, we will get this answer. Therefore, our final answer is 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 t negative 1 over 2. This is our final answer. However, from the questions, it asks find the distribution. Therefore, we need to find out what kind of distribution it is. From this answer, we can see that this is chi-square distribution with 1 degree of freedom. And that's all for the first question. I will pass it to teacher Julia for the next question.
So next, let's continue with the question B. So the question B is just a extension of equation A. So the question B is use derivative A to find the distribution of a new random variable W is equal to summation of x squared over theta plus 1, and hence state the distribution of W and its corresponding parameter. So the question B asks us to find MGF. So the general formula for MGF is mxt equal to e to the power of dx. So here we can just simply change x to w because the equation want to find w instead of x. So here, for the next step, you just substitute w into this. So summation of x squared also can be written as and then we can just write like this. So from here, we can use a MTF formula. And so here actually, this one we can write here and t over t. And also same as the rest. So here, you need to substitute from what equation A, which is 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 t to the power of negative 1 over 2. So you can just substitute it. So t here, you can substitute from above. Same as the rest. So actually, from here, you also can simplify it and you can just write as you will get 2. For the final answer, you will get 1 minus 2t to the power of negative n over 2. So next, from here, you can guess the distribution. So from here, we will get chi-square distribution, which W chi-square of x with n degree of freedom. So this is on how you can solve equation B. Next, teacher Ainaa will continue with equation C.
Alright, hello students, back with me again. Are you guys still okay? I hope you're still with me. Moving on to the question 3C, which is based on question B, construct a 1 minus alpha 100% confidence interval for theta. Alright, this question is actually very easy because you only need to remember the formula from the estimation of variance, and this is the formula. The first step is we need to write down back the formula, but using from the previous question that teacher just got, we got chi-square with n degrees of freedom. Therefore, we write it as minus alpha over n. And why we write n here? Because we got the n degrees of freedom, not n minus 1 degrees of freedom. Therefore, we use n. And here, we write back the w. Next step is we need to substitute the w. And this is the w. That's good. Moving on to the next step, we need to bring the summation of x squared here down to the left and to the right. Alright, for 1 here, we need to bring to the left and to the right. Therefore, we will get Alright, is this the answers that we need? Actually, no, because from the question, we need to construct confidence interval for theta only, and we don't need the plus 1 here. Therefore, we need to bring the plus 1 here to the left and to the right. Hence, we will get Alright, I'm sorry. After we bring 1 to the left and to the right, we need to exchange this place. Therefore, we will get chi-square here, alpha over n, and this one, chi-square 1 minus alpha over n. So we continue. Right, and this is the final answer because the question only needs us to construct a confidence interval. Therefore, this is our final answer. And now we will continue the last question with Teacher Julia.
So I'm back, guys. Don't worry, you are in last question, and this last question is very easy. So actually, for the D, you just need to find the confidence interval for theta. So the formula is you can get from equation C just now from what teacher Ainaa has shown you. And for D, the equation has given us the value, which is a summation of s squared is 1000, n equal to 10, and alpha equal to 0.05. So you can just use the formula and substitute this value into this formula. So from this value, you actually need to use a chi-square table. So from here, 20.483 minus 1 and 3.2. Then you can solve it, and finally you will get. So for the conclusion, with 95% confidence interval for theta is between 47.8210 and 306.9766. And that's all from me and teacher Ainaa. I hope that you guys can follow from what we have teach you, and hope we can see you again. Bye! I think that's all for today.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.
And we wish you the best on your studies.
Don't forget to like, comment,
Share
and subscribe. Bye!
Wow, the teachers are indeed very good. Now I understand it better than before. And look, I'm done with it.
Wow! Me too, I also done. Thanks for the video.